Example number 2. This is page number 95. This is page number 95. Okay. Example number 1. Example number 2. In the figure 6.10, ray OS stand for. This is page number 95 of class 9 mathematics NCERT book. In figure 6.10, ray OS stand on the line POQ. Ray OR and ray OTR angle bisector of angle POS and the angle SOQ respectively. If angle POS is equal to X, find the angle ROT. Here it is given that this is P and this is Q. Here at O, this is OR. This is OR. Then ST. Then here it is S. And here it is T. Question is the ray OS. The ray OS ray OR and OTR, the angle bisector of angle POS. This is the bisector of angle POS and OT. OT is the bisector of SOQ. This is the bisector of this angle. Now, if POS, if angle POS, this angle is X, then you have to find out what is the value of SOT. SOT, this angle you have to find out. See, first of all, the angle POQ, this angle POQ is equal to 180 degree. Straight line, being a straight line, point O is on that line PQ. So angle POQ is equal to 180 degree. Since POS, angle POS is equal to X, therefore angle SOQ is equal to 180 degree minus X. Now angle the OT is the angle bisector of angle SOQ. So angle SOT is equal to 1 by 2 to angle SOQ is equal to half into 180 degree minus X, that is equal to 90 degree minus X by 2. This is the required answer. The next is now you have to find out the ROT also. Angle ROT you have to find out also. So here ROT we have to find out. So for angle ROT is equal to angle ROS plus angle SOT. So we have just find here the angle SOT. So we need the find the angle ROS. Angle ROS is equal to half of the angle POS. Angle POS is equal to half into X x by 2. So angle ROT is equal to x by 2 plus value of SOT, angle SOT, this is 90 degrees and minus x by 2. Final answer is 90 degree. Example number 3. Example number 3 is saying in figure 6.11, OP, OQ, OR and OS are 4 rays. Prove that the angle POQ, QOR and plus SOR plus POS is equal to 360 degrees. So see the figure first. Figure is saying this is O and OP. This is OP, then this is OQ, then this is OS, OR and this is OS, and it is given O. So here it is P, it is Q, this is R, this is S. We have to find out all the sum of all the angles, this angle plus this angle plus this angle plus this angle, all are the sum of all these angles are 360 degree. So first we will put one construction. We will extend the OQ here in a straight way and say this is the T. Say this ray is T. And now angle TOQ, angle TOQ is equal to 180 degree, and because a straight line is there, and again TOQ, and again upside it is TOQ, again TOQ is equal to 180 degree, that is 360 degree. But first TOQ is here. This TOQ is equal to TOP, angle TOP plus angle POQ, angle POQ plus QOR plus angle QOR plus ROS, angle ROS plus angle SOT, angle SOT is equal to 360 degree. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 angles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 angles. But this angle is angle SOP, TOP and SOT. TOP and SOT is equal to angle SOP. So we can write here angle SOP plus angle POQ plus angle QOR plus angle ROS is equal to 360 degree. That much we have to prove. Now exercise 6.1. Now exercise 6.1 is here. There are many question answer questions are there. You have to solve all the question of this exercise, and the new topic will be 6.5, parallel lines and a transversal. Parallel line and a transversal. Next topic is the 6.5 parallel lines and transversal.